today I'm going to show you how to prepare buns, a crunchy buns. So welcome to my channel, all my old subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for keep subscribing. And please, if you're watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. And so let's get started on this buns preparation. So this is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's what I'm going to use today. 4 cups. I haven't added anything, and I laid down here all that I'm going to use to do this buns. Here is half cup of water, nothing inside. Here is a teaspoon of nutmeg, and this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is half cup of milk, 1% milk. That's what I am using. And this is 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is half cup of sugar, and this is 2 large eggs. These are all the ingredients I have. I'm going to start by adding baking powder and sugar and salt together. Then I'm going to mix it up. As I am mixing, I am preheating my oil, and here is where I'm going to put the buns after frying it. The paper towel is to absorb the oil that will come out of the buns. So that's what this is all about, and I'm preheating the oil. So in here, I'm going to create something like a hole in here. To add my milk, I'm going to add half. I don't like adding all everything in one time. I'm going to add my melted butter. I'm going to beat the egg, beat the 2 large eggs and add it. So you can see I'm beating the eggs. And one secret about getting your buns crunchy is that you will make sure everything you're making your buns with is chilled. So I'm going to now change to stick, to use the stick to turn it. Okay, you see how the dough looks like. Okay, it's thicker than the one for puff. You see, I have turned this very well. Make sure you mix all your ingredients very well. You see how it looks like. I'm done with the stick. The next thing is using your hand. That's when you will start putting it in your oil. Already heat oil, like I showed you in the beginning. My oil is heating, so this is it. It's set. It's ready to start frying. Okay, now I drop these little buns to check my oil if it's ready, and as you can see, it's frying very well. It means that it's ready. So I'm going to start. I have my glove on because at this point is hand 1. We're going to be doing it with hand now. So okay, it's hand job now. And this doesn't fry like off. You will fry this like at least 15 to 25 minutes on a normal heat, like not too hot, not too low, for you to get it right. This is one part of cooking that I don't usually do, but I know how to do it. This is it here. Making buns, making buff. I see it as a big thing, and also working with my weight, because once I make it, I will eat it. So you see, it's cooking real good. So I'm going to reduce my heat a little bit so that this would be done very well, not to cook outside part and leave the inside fresh. You don't want that. So my people that are watching me, I hope you get your own right. One more last time, then I'll let it cook and get it out. It's almost done. A lot of people may not know how to time it, but you can always get your fork, stick it in, get your fork out. As you can see, it's not completely done. See, it stick to my fork, not completely done. So you fry it a little more. That's why you need to be careful with your heat. You don't want to fry your bun and bring it out and the inside will not be done. Okay, this is the last of the buns. You see what I said about crunchy? Using everything chilled. This is the secret of these buns. If your egg is very cold, your water cold, milk cold, you will achieve the crunchiness of this. So try it. The only thing I have in a room temperature is my melted butter. That's the only thing. So as you can see, this is done. I'm now going to put it here, the towel, to absorb the oil. See? As you are looking at it too, you will see that this is well fried, no oil soaked. You see how clean and dry it looks. I will show you every other thing later. Once you get it up, it's drying up. No too much oil soaked. See? Look at it. Very nice buns. You can join me, you can come and eat, you can come and have a taste at Diamond Kitchen. It's always available. I always have snack available. So thank you for watching at Diamond channel, and continue coming in, continue subscribing, and continue liking and your comment. Continue sharing my videos, because as you sharing them, you're helping Diamond channel to grow. Thank you all, and I promise to keep you updated. I will keep posting new videos. Thank you.